Hello my dear students, welcome to our computer class. Dear students, in our previous class we were discussing about cut, copy and paste options in Word. Our today's topic is find, replace and go to options from editing group on the home tab. At first we discuss about find option. Find option is used to find a word or a text from a document. Find option available in editing group on the home tab. Let's learn how to find a word from a document. For that, type 2 or 3 paragraphs in a new page. On the Home tab, from the Editing group, click on the Find icon. A navigation pane will appear at the left side of the window. Here, we can enter the term cricket at the top of the navigation pane for finding from the document. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow color. A preview of results will appear in the navigation pane under the Results tab. If we want to close the navigation window, click on the Close icon on the right side of that window. At the same time, the highlighted text will be disappeared. Next one is Replace option. Replace option is used to change any word into a new word. Replace option available in Editing group on the Home tab. Let's learn how to replace a word into a new word. For that, type 2 or 3 paragraphs in a new document. On the Home tab, from the Editing group, click on the Replace icon. We can see the Find and Replace dialog box. In Find What text box, enter the text that we want to locate. For example, here we enter the text Cricket Field. In the Replace with box, enter the text that we want to change. For example, here we enter Cricket Ground. Click on Replace button to replace the selected text. Now we can see that the word cricket field changes into cricket ground. Then, to replace all the text changes into new word, click on Replace All button. Now we can see that all the text will be replaced with new word. And a new dialog box will appear that informing the process is complete. Then click on OK button. When we have done, click on Close button to close the dialog box. Next one is go to option. Go to option from find and replace window is used to find words from any page, line or section from the document. It is also used to find words from a specific page. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.